Tired of constant T-Mobile Play pop-ups? T-Mobile Play suggests apps and games using your data, leading to frequent notifications. To disable in the Magenta app, go to Profile, then Settings, then Notifications, and turn off app suggestions and game recommendations. Next, in your Android settings, go to Settings, Notifications, See All, Magenta, and toggle off all notification categories. These steps should reduce or eliminate the pop-ups. If problems persist, consider uninstalling the Magenta app if possible, or contacting T-Mobile support. T-Mobile Play's suggestions are driven by data collection from your usage patterns, location, and preferences. To minimize this, review T-Mobile's privacy policy and opt out of data sharing within the Magenta app's privacy dashboard. Be aware of Android's notification channels, allowing granular control over each app's notifications without full silencing. For rooted devices, advanced users can block notification channels via ADB tools. Keep in mind that T-Mobile may reinstall the app through updates, so regularly check your notification settings. If pop-ups become unbearable, consider third-party notification blocking apps for better control.